Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. Just wanted to make a little rental property video, kind of update you on some things, what we got going on right now. As you see right here, the house is gone. I had a house fire. It burned. What happened, we know for sure, we know the fire was set. There was a lady and her son was moving in it. They had just got all of their furniture moved in it. Got the utilities turned on in their name, and 4 a.m. the next morning, it was on fire. The investigators know that it was set. They found accelerant. They have some speculations of who set it, but they said to pinpoint it on somebody without video, an eyewitness, something, it's really hard to do. So I don't know if they're going forward with it any or not or what, but anyway, so I lost that house. I don't know if you can see the discoloration in the paint, but I thought I was going to lose this house. It did melt the windows out of it. It got so hot, so they're being replaced right now as we speak. These people's van. It was an extremely hot fire. It had some hot accelerant on it. And we're at this house. The girl was having trouble paying her rent, and so I just asked her to move. And so we're going to upgrade this house pretty good. We're painting around the white, painting it black, painting all the windows black, doors will be black. There was a large deck right here. We removed that. We've got a new back porch. The guys rebuilt the whole back porch. All the windows are getting painted black. The guys are going to build a closet in this corner. Carpets tore all out. New carpets coming. New windows. Both ends. I'm sorry I'm gravelly today. Kind of blah. Got sinuses. We're going to rip this bathroom completely out. Redo every bit of it. That window will be replaced. The kitchen cabinets are all tore out. That window will be replaced. That window will be replaced. Well, there you go, guys. I just wanted to do a quick rental property update. I hadn't done one in forever. I've kind of sort of got the bug to maybe record a few more videos. So we'll see where this goes. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.